It's Ben Nunez, known as Benerator, the guy who makes like some of the coolest custom builds. So, take it away, Ben.
All right, I'll pull the wings off of one of the other drones. The assault drone. This is the one with the adjustable wings. Let's try tossing this on one of those turbine pieces from the Gladius. Those are always kind of nice for spaceships because they automatically have some sort of intake. So I'm guessing this is a front. Like so. Something for the tail. Starting to take shape. Cockpit. One from the interceptor. We'll leave that one open for the stand. I'm gonna give this some shape. I'm gonna do there. I like this piece. Just gives it some nice texture to it. Missiles. Let's throw some guns on there. And then add some, just something to cover these ports. Just some cap pieces. Let's throw that on stand there. Kind of fighter. Not bad. All right, so let's try a complex build. I'm gonna start with 3 cubes. I wanted to use the legs off the suppression mech. Use the front ones for this build. I wanted to use some more legs from another kit. I think it's from the Scorpion, maybe. We'll make them like back legs for this one. Let's use the eyes off of the suppression mech, I think it was. So this one doesn't have a pilot. This is just a mindless drone. Wings. This is on the tail. Drone bug. Pretty cool. And there you have it. Came up with a couple different builds using the Snapships drones. They're very affordable and they're definitely worth it. I definitely recommend them. This is Ben Nunez, Benerator. I hope I was able to give you some idea of how cool this new wave of Snapships is.
Snapships, build to battle.